Airports can feel stressful, especially if you're not confident with English. In this video, you'll learn simple and practical conversations to help you communicate clearly and confidently while traveling. We'll focus on essential English for the airport. Hi there.
Oh, hi.
Mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. The airport is packed today.
Yeah, it's really busy.
Are you flying out soon?
In about an hour.
Same. I'm heading to Tokyo.
Nice. I'm flying to London.
Oh, I've always wanted to go there.
And I've always wanted to see Tokyo.
You should go. It's amazing.
Maybe next year.
Business or vacation?
Business, sadly.
Or, I'm on vacation.
Lucky you die.
First trip in 2 years.
You deserve it.
Thanks. You travel often.
Not as much as I used to.
Flying makes me nervous, honestly.
Same here.
I always get butterflies before boarding.
Especially during takeoff.
Yes, that's the worst part.
Once we're in the air, I relax.
I watch movies to distract myself.
Or I listen to music.
I have a playlist just for flying.
That's smart.
Did you check your bags?
Nope, just carry on.
I wish I could pack light.
Practice makes perfect.
I brought way too much.
Most people do.
I'm scared my bag's over the limit.
Did they weigh it?
No, not yet.
Fingers crossed.
How early did you arrive?
Around 3 hours before.
Same. Better safe than sorry.
Exactly. I hate rushing at the airport.
Did security take long?
Not really, maybe 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
What about you?
I got lucky. No line at all.
Nice.
I always get nervous going through security.
Me too.
Even when I've done nothing wrong.
Haha, same here.
They checked my laptop this time.
Mine too.
It's so random.
They like to keep us guessing.
True.
Do you fly often?
Maybe twice a year. You?
Used to fly monthly.
Wow. For work.
Yes, sales. Lots of travel.
That must be exhausting.
It can be.
I love flying, but only for fun.
Makes sense.
You ever miss your flight before?
Once, traffic was horrible.
That's my biggest fear.
Now I always leave super early.
Smart.
How long is your flight to Tokyo?
Almost 14 hours.
Wow.
I brought snacks, books, everything.
Good thinking.
I can't sleep on planes.
Same, I just stare at the seat in front.
I hate how dry the air is.
Yeah, and the noise.
Do you bring earplugs?
No, but I should.
They help a lot.
I'll grab some next time.
Got a favorite airline?
I like Emirates.
Me too. So comfy.
And the food's decent.
Yep.
What airline are you flying today?
ANA.
I've heard they're great.
Hope so. First time.
I'm with British Airways.
Nice. Direct flight?
Yes, thank God.
I have one layover.
Where?
Seoul.
That's not bad.
I'll probably get food there.
Airport food is hit or miss.
Totally.
Did you eat anything yet?
Just a muffin. You?
Coffee and a sandwich.
Sounds better than mine.
Want to grab something now?
I might. Still got time.
I saw a sushi place near Gate 17.
I love sushi.
You want to check it out together?
Sure. Why not?
Cool, let me pack up my charger.
I'll grab my bag.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
All right, let's go.
So, have you ever been to Japan?
Nope, Just seeing photos.
You'd love the culture.
I believe it.
Everyone's so polite there.
I need to see it for myself.
Maybe next trip.
Yeah, I like planning random trips.
Me too. Last-minute adventures.
Sometimes they're the best ones.
Totally agree.
So, how long will you stay in Tokyo?
"10 days.
Nice enough time to explore.
I hope so. I want to visit Kyoto too.
Oh, I heard it's beautiful.
Yeah. I'll take the bullet train.
I want to try that one day.
It's super fast.
Alright, here's the sushi place.
Looks good.
After this, we should head to the gate.
Agreed. I don't want to miss boarding.
Me neither.
Thanks for chatting, by the way.
Of course, made the wait easier.
Same here.
Safe flight, Emily.
You too, John. Enjoy London.
Enjoy Tokyo.
I will. Bye.
Bye.